take this cover off here. Just use a flat blade tool. Just get behind this trim piece and slide it out. There's some clips holding it on. And take this screw out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Slide that out. And go around the perimeter of the door panel using a trim tool and just pop it off. There's push pins holding it on. With those popped, and you just pull out on the door panel and just slide up. There's a couple of clips that are right here. We're going to pop these off. Just kind of rotate them down. They slide down like that. We can disconnect the connector right here. Just slide it out like that. Take this push pin out right here. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath it. And just pop it out. This one over here, use the same trim tool. And pull this off. You're just going to slide it back a little bit, just like that. Just want to peel it away from the weather strip. You can push on the weather strip to keep it separated. That will slide off like that. Just push back the weather strip. Disconnect the connectors. One right here, just push on the tab, slide it out, and then disconnect this connector and slide it out. Take these 3 nuts off. Use a 10mm socket. And when you go to take the last one off, just hold the mirror from the outside so it doesn't fall. Grab the mirror. We're going to push this rubber grommet through. And it slides right out. Now slide the wiring back through the hole. Line the studs up. Get one of the nuts started. Once you get one nut started pretty good, you can let go of the mirror on the outside. Pull that rubber grommet through and put the other nuts on and tighten it down. Plug in the connector, lock it down, and then the one down below. Now slide this panel back in place. That looks good. Now take the push pin, get that started right there, and same with over here. And push that in right there. Plug the connector in, ratchet it down. Now line the panel up, go over the lock rod. Get that in the groove, and then line everything up. And tap it back on. And take the screw, get that started, tighten it down. Take the cover, line it up, and lock it in place.